is Mike Davis. We're coming to you today from the FlowTech Demo Lab in South Windsor, Connecticut. And today we're going to talk to you about changing zero lockdown for air monitors, airflow measuring products. Before we talk about how to change the zero lockdown on the VoluFlow OAM, we should first talk about what the zero lockdown is and why it's important. Oftentimes, at low flow, or if a system is turned off, the airflow measuring station can still read flow signals when we don't want to. And for that reason, the zero lockdown sets a minimum feet per minute at which the OAM will read flow. And the zero lockdown feature allows us to tell the OAM at any velocity below whatever the zero lockdown is, in most cases 100 or 125 feet per minute, don't read flow. Sometimes FlowTech gets service calls or service requests saying, hey, your system isn't reading at low flow, and oftentimes that's due to the zero lockdown being set too high. So we'll show you how to change that zero lockdown feature now. To access the menus, you'll hit enter from the home screen, and the zero lockdown menu is in system setup for the OAM. Once we get to the system setup screen, you'll use the up and down keys to get to the filters and lockdown menu. Hit enter. We'll leave these process and display filters at 5, but we'll go to the hit enter to get to the lockdown menu. Right now it's set for 60 feet per minute, which is low. We can set this up to 200 feet per minute if we had a high velocity system. We'll hit enter, settings complete, hit OK, and that's how we change the zero lockdown. Oftentimes we change the zero lockdown in reverse, where the settings are above 100 and we want to change them to below 100. So we're reading low flow, but the process would still be the same. And that's how you change the zero lockdown for the VoluFlow OAM II.